His topic is education, but my topic is money. So money is very powerful. We have money, we get education. We have any school, we go any school. A teacher said, principal says, you give money, I take your education. So I would like to say money is much more dependent.
Now my brother, in this world, education is the key to success.
Education is key to success. We need money. We have money. We buy everything. We have money. We wear the clothes. We have education. We have no money. You are like.
When you have education, you can earn money. But you have more money, you cannot earn education.
We have money. You are respect in the over the world, but you have no money. You have the not education. You have education. You have not money. Everyone not salute you. Everyone say, oh, this have education, but this is no money.
No, my brother, and in today's world, educated people and respected people and money. When we have more money, we have more enemies, and we have more education, we have more friends.
We have money, we have enemies. But this is people say you have money, you have everything. We have money, we have go every city, every country.
No, my brother, I accept that the money is very important. So tell me, why rich people send their sons to the school?
You say yeah, you are right according to your place, but you have money, you have not education, you have money, you have education, your future, what you will do?
My brother, money is everything. So tell me why rich people send their children to the school.
Today we no education because his own self his money. Why no education but money is powerful?
Its reason is that my brother, every rich people know that the money is education is very important, because without education we cannot solve our problems.
Without money you can't buy. You have hospital. Everyone says you have alive, not alive. Everyone you have bukhar, you have zukam, and you go to hospital and you get medicines and store and it says give me money, I give you a medicines.
No, my brother. In today's world, education is changing with technology. Digital classes and digital tools are making learning more interactive.
Digital tools in hands of money. They make the digital tools. This have no money. Why he is
no, my brother. When digital tools is made with the education and with the knowledge. When we have no knowledge, no education, we not made anything of this world. Like charts, like bulbs, like fans, and no anything.
Thomas Edison make bulb. Example, Thomas Edison make bulb. He have education, more education, but he have no money. Why he make it?
My brother, if you have more money, you can earn. When you have more education, you can earn money. But you have more money, you cannot earn education.
Why teachers read to the children? Because money is everything. You have money, you have teachers have no money. Why this is read the children?
No, my brother, if you are educated, you can go any company and who can give you a job, and you have more money, you can give him a bribe, but he cannot give you a job.
You have education, you have not money, then you have bed.
No, my brother. With education, we cannot. With education, we can survive in this world. With money, we cannot. With money, money is not important.
Money is why not important? Tell me one point.
My brother, money is. I accept that money is important. Without education, money is not important. I tell you.
But you have education, you have not money. Why you are alive in this world?
My brother, in one day, money is decreased, but in today's world, education is increased.
But you have money, you have get education. You have money, you take your admission, but you have no money. Principal said get out because you have no money.
No, my brother. Like government schools, they have no fees. All students go and take admission.
This is no fees, free books, but dress are the money. Dress is a belt, tie, you have money and you have buy everything. You have eating everything. You have not money, why you eat everything?
My brother, money is important, but more than education.
Why? Money is most powerful with the education.
No, my brother, education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world.
You say this quotation, love is beautiful but money is powerful. Why? But because money is the powerful.
No, my brother, our money is stolen, but our education is not stolen. When we serve our education to other people, he can educate it. But when we have serve our money to any people, we can decrease our money.
This is your fantasy. This is your fantasy. But money is most powerful. We have get everything, every place we have out of country. We need to money. You have education. You say I have education. I have no money. He go to out of country.
No, my brother, you can remember that the full form of education: E for energy, D for development, U for understand, C for confidence, F for attitude, T for training, I for inspiration, O for opportunity, and for nobility. You can remember that education full form is the motivation.
But you have money, you have get everything, you have buy everything, your shoes, this is your shoes, your pair. This is education, yeah, this is money. You have buy this money.
I accept that I buy it from money, but I have no education. When I buy it, when seller sell me the 3,000 to the 5,000, when I have education, I can bargain it.
You have no money, you have education. Why do you go to Dukan shop?
My brother, in Kazi Ahmed, many shops, but all people, I accept that some people are not educated, but he get education in class metric. But because he can know that without education he cannot earn money, and all people's wrong with that.
Because no, we have money, we have everything. You have every place, everyone salute you. You have education, you have no money. Why do you like?
My brother, when you are educated, you have more friends. And I tell that first, and you have more money, you have more enemies. Because when you have more enemies,